In a significant development for India's energy supply, two Indian-flagged LPG tankers have successfully crossed the Strait of Hormuz and are expected to reach India within the next 2 days. The tankers Gas and Jag Vasant departed from the Persian Gulf on Monday morning, carrying roughly a day's supply of India's cooking gas. According to Rajesh Kumar Sinha, Special Secretary at the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, both vessels are carrying about 92,000 tons of LPG. The journey from the Gulf to India usually takes 2 to 2.5 days. The tankers passed between Iran's Larak and Kashmir Islands, likely to ensure that Iranian authorities were aware of their presence. These ships are among 22 Indian-flagged vessels that were stranded in the Persian Gulf after the conflict in the Middle East nearly blocked the Strait of Hormuz. Earlier, metric ton Shivalik and metric ton Nanda Devi, carrying around 92,712 tons of LPG, had safely reached India, docking at Mundra and Kandla in Gujarat. At the start of the conflict, there were 28 Indian vessels in the strait, 24 on the west side and 4 on the east. In the last few days, 2 vessels from the each side have managed to sail safely. Other notable moments include the Indian oil tanker Jagladki, carrying 80,886 tons of crude oil from the UAE, which reached Mundra on 18th March. Another tanker, Jag Prakash, transporting gasoline from Oman to Africa, has also safely crossed the strait and is on its way to Tanzania. And also, the 24 remaining Indian vessels in the conflict zone, 22 are on the west side of the strait with 611 seafarers on board, while 2 remain on the west side. Meanwhile, families of some seafarers remain worried. The parents of Fadusha Farhan TU, a 20-year-old sailor from Mananthavady, has not been able to contact their son for over a month following the Iran conflict. Another young sailor, Jerin Joseph from Idukki, who is also on the same vessel, a ruckus operated by trim ship management and flying a Malta flag, has similarly not been reachable. Authorities are closely monitoring the situation and ensuring the safe passage of Indian vessels through the Strait of Hormuz.